Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. We're going to cook sweet and sour snapper or Escabecheng maya-maya in Tagalog. Here are the ingredients. 250 grams snapper or maya-maya, 4 cloves garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 1 piece carrot, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and 2 tablespoons vinegar. Rub salt in the fish and set aside for 30 minutes. Dissolve the cornstarch in water. We will use it later to thicken the sauce. Fry the fish until golden brown in both sides. Reduce the oil in the pan and saute the garlic, onion, and ginger. Pour in around 300 ml of water. Add the sugar and vinegar and simmer for 1 minute. Season with salt and pepper. Gradually add the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Add the fish and adjust the taste according to your preferred saltiness. Lastly, add the carrots and simmer for 1 minute.
It's delicious. Fantastic.
Here's our sweet and sour snapper. It is also called Escabeche in Tagalog. Enjoy! Support our channel by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video. Thank you!